To automatically split your keyboard while in landscape view on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to set the keyboard mode for landscape view to split keyboard. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find General Management. Tap General Management and then tap Samsung Keyboard Setting. Scroll down the screen. Under Style and Layout section, tap Mode. Under Landscape View section, select Split Keyboard. To see how this feature works, open an app where you can type with your keyboard, like when you are texting someone on WhatsApp. You can see that when you hold your phone in landscape view like this, your phone will automatically split your keyboard, where the half keyboard is placed in the left side and the other half is placed in the right side. You can use this keyboard mode so you can easily use your keyboard with two hands. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.